Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video we will see how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro with any Bluetooth device. It can be your mobile phone or a laptop. So first open this case. Now to pair this with the mobile device, you need to keep two fingers on both at the same time and hold it. Okay, wait for it light to blink. So it has gone into the pairing mode. Light is blinking right now. On the mobile device you need to check for the Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth. Now in Bluetooth section you need to look for Buds 2 Pro. So it has got connected. You will be able to see the battery health of the earbuds. Click on OK. It is connected. You can see the status. Okay. So now it has got paired with this mobile device. You can straight away listen to the music or play any video, and that sound will be played in these boards. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thank you.